Gray remains a favorite choice for many people in both interior and exterior home design. Neutral, elegant, and flexible, gray blends beautifully with a variety of styles, from modern minimalism to classic and even industrial. However, choosing the right shade of gray is not always easy, as each tone has its own character and psychological effect. Behr, as one of the leading paint brands, offers a wide range of gray variations that are not only visually stunning, but also able to create a specific atmosphere within a room. So, in this video, we're going to explore 10 of Behr's most popular gray colors that can inspire your home design. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss more home design inspirations. Number 1. Platinum colors. Platinum is a pale gray with a touch of silvery green. This color brings a fresh, clean, and calming impression. It is perfect for use in living rooms or bedrooms to create a relaxing atmosphere. With natural lighting, platinum reflects light beautifully, making the room appear brighter and more spacious. Number 2. Chic Gray from Behr. Chic Gray is a warm medium gray with subtle beige undertones. Its warmth creates a friendly and cozy atmosphere in any room. This color pairs beautifully with natural wood furniture or rustic-style decor, while still blending seamlessly with a modern minimalist aesthetic. Number 3. Silver City from Behr. For those who prefer a true gray without leaning too warm or too cool, Silver City can be the perfect choice. This color carries a subtle hint of green that adds depth without feeling overwhelming. Silver City is highly versatile and can be applied to both interior and exterior walls. Number 4. Dolphin Fin from Behr. Dolphin Fin brings a warm gray tone with a confident presence. This color is flexible and can blend with almost any palette. Often used in living rooms, Dolphin Fin creates an atmosphere that is both welcoming and elegant. Number 5. Natural Gray from Behr. If you're looking for a gray with a modern and calming vibe, Natural Gray is the perfect choice. With a soft touch of taupe, this color creates a peaceful and sophisticated impression. It's ideal for bedrooms or home offices, enhancing both focus and comfort. Number 6. Silver Bullet from Behr. Silver Bullet is a balanced medium gray with subtle lavender undertones. This color delivers a cool, contemporary, and sophisticated look. Whether under artificial or natural lighting, Silver Bullet maintains its charming and elegant presence. Number 7. French Silver from Behr. French Silver is a medium gray with cool blue undertones. This color is highly elegant and perfect for creating a calm, modern atmosphere. When paired with white or black accents, it results in a space that feels chic and full of character. Number 8. Solemn Silence from Behr. With soft blue undertones, Solemn Silence gives a room a more spacious feel. This color is ideal for areas you want to appear more open, such as living rooms or dining spaces. Its silvery effect adds a modern yet calming touch. Number 9. Silver Feather from Behr. Silver Feather is a neutral gray with a luxurious and sophisticated feel. A subtle hint of green sets it apart from other grays. This versatile color works beautifully in rooms with either classic or contemporary designs. Number 10. Classic Silver from Behr. True to its name, Classic Silver is a timeless gray that remains highly popular. This color offers tranquility, a sense of spaciousness, and pairs well with a wide range of palettes. It's an ideal choice for anyone seeking a safe option without losing an elegant touch. Behr's gray colors offer a wide spectrum of choices, ranging from warm to cool tones, and from soft to bold shades. Platinum and Solemn Silence are perfect for those who want bright, airy spaces, while Chic Gray and Natural Gray create a warm and inviting atmosphere. For an elegant modern look, Silver Bullet and French Silver can be the top choices. By understanding the character of each shade, you can select the gray that best suits your needs and the style of your home.